All right, so this is going to be a quick little review on what I think is another essential tool, especially if you're getting older. I'm 39 now, and I still got a lot of strength in my arms, but you know, if I'm wrenching a lot, my hands will be sore the next day. So what's really nice about these, and it doesn't have to be the Milwaukee brand or anything, but you know, these are pretty precise. Let a battery do the work for you. And if you're trying to break the torque, you know, and it's too hard, let me set this down. You know, what's nice about this is you can actually use it as a ratchet. And then when it's loose enough, you can use the power of the ratchet itself. I love all these battery powered tools. They're nice. And there's a bunch of different styles. Pretty simple. I love these tools. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I have that grease gun. I had this little ratchet, and I'm gonna show you those impact drivers also. I have a couple of those. But anyways, get yourself one of these. I think this will do about 35 foot-pounds of torque. It's a little 12 volt. This is the M12. Milwaukee Fuel. Love it. Thanks for watching.